Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate it if you'd purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at a brand new 36mm two-tone ever rose gold and stainless steel Rolex Datejust with a mother of pearl dial set with diamond hour markers. This watch comes with an Oyster bracelet, and the model reference number for this watch is a 126201. Retail price as of 2022 is $14,250 US. So I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch: the case, the bezel, dial, crown functions, bracelet, and the movement. And I'm going to give some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. This Rolex Datejust 36 is a full-size watch at 36mm from my thumb to my pointer finger here. It's a very popular size for men and women, and the stainless steel case is rated for 100 meters or 330 feet of water resistance. So it's okay for you to go swimming with this watch on your wrist. It's going to hold up just fine. The case is polished to a mirror finish on the sides of the case and on the top of the lugs. The bezel here is an ever rose gold domed bezel. It's high polished as well with a mirror finish. It wraps up this dial very nicely with a super crisp look. Now going into the dial here, we're looking at this beautiful mother of pearl dial. Has diamonds set on the rose gold hour markers. If you look very closely, you can see sword-shaped hour and minute hands. It's been a classic and familiar look for Rolex watches for years. You can see the date here at the 3 o'clock position under the Cyclops magnification window. This magnifies the window about 2.5 times for its original size for easy viewing. The crown here on the 3 o'clock position can be worn in its first position when it's unscrewed from the case. 10 to 15 turns should get this watch moving. Second position out should be able to change the date. See me cycling through the date. And on the outermost position, you'll be able to change the hands. So you're changing, adjust the hour and minute hands. Once you have them set, you can screw down the crown and your watch is ready to go. Now the movement that runs this beautiful watch is a caliber 3235. It has the hour, minute, and center seconds functions, as well as the date here at the 3 o'clock position. The power reserve on this watch is 70 hours, so a fully wound watch will be keeping time for about 3 days after you set it down. Now going on to the bracelet that holds this watch, we are looking at a two-tone ever rose gold and stainless steel Oyster bracelet with a half polish. The center pieces of the links are high polished or mirror finish, while the outside links are a satin finish. Folding Oyster clasp right here will close up the bracelet. We'll open it up first so you can take a look and see how it folds out. Single fold over deployment. And it snaps into place. Let's go ahead and try this watch on my wrist. Snaps into place nice and snugly. And it's easy to release as well. Might add that there's also another feature in here called an Easy Link. This Easy Link 5mm comfort extension allows you to size your watch out if you get hot. So while it is on your wrist, you can actually open this up another 5mm to allow your watch to breathe. Hopefully you can see that fold over. It's a really neat feature. Now, as far as what I think about this watch, this is a very comfortable watch to wear. being the 36mm case, it can be worn by men and women. The watch is offered with either this Oyster bracelet or a Jubilee bracelet. The mother of pearl dial here is the top dial that you can get for this watch, as it adds an additional $2,700 to the price of the standard dialed watch. Now, if you're wondering where you can get this watch, what you can wear this watch with, you can match the rose gold with earth tone clothing like browns, beiges, or colors like fall colors, or even black. And if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website, jazztime.com. The model reference number again for this watch is 126201. This is the Rolex two-tone Ever Rose Gold and stainless steel Datejust 36mm with a mother of pearl diamond dial. This watch is also on an Oyster bracelet. So again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. So go to jazztime.com. Thanks for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.